Good morning and welcome to step and final step number 3 in adding a pallet rating tariff. This is the pallet rating account maintenance. Now that the tariff has been added, which you did in step number 1, and you've created the tables, which you've done in step number 2, you now have to tie this table onto an account that you wish to use. First thing it asks you when you go into this program is enter the tariff ID. Well, going along with step number 1 and 2, we've created a tariff called TEST77. Alright, it's going to say add, change, delete, and inquire. Let's do an A to add. First thing it pops up and says is enter customer account ID. Well, we have an account ID out there that we're testing with, and we call it test. Alright, and that's just an account that's on your system. The next prompt says point-to-point, mileage, or standard. Well, let's do point-to-point because that's the way we're doing it. We're not doing a mileage and the standard. It's just a generic standard way. So we're going to do a point-to-point, and it's going to say, okay, great, enter the origin type. You can do an asterisk, which is all origins to a specific destination. You can do a state, an origin within a state. You can do an origin, a 3-digit zip, an origin 5-digit zip, a city state, or a location ID. For now, let's do a 5-digit zip origin. Excuse me. And let's do 19401. Happens to be mine. Alright, enter a destination type. Now you can do the same thing. You can do an asterisk, which would encompass everything. You can do a state. You can do 3-digit zip, 5-digit zip, city, state, location. Now this is going to be your destination. So let's do 5-digit zip, and then I'll choose 19426. All right. Now this is going to say, okay, what is the table ID? Well, this is going to be the table ID we created earlier, which I believe was TB1. Add the record. We're going to say Y for yes. Now let me explain real quick how this works. You're going to have a series of tables, which we've done in step number 2, and you're going to put these tables to a combination, an origin zip to a destination zip. They're going to have different rates depending on how you've negotiated them. So we're going to hit a Y for yes, and you have successfully added a table to a point-to-point table to an account. Now what you want to do now is make sure you do not forget to plug this tariff on the account record in the account add, change, and delete. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.